Hey everybody, I wanted to talk about this Vevor Camping folding chair here. This was given to me to test and review. It comes in this nice black carry bag with a strap. So once it's in there, it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty lightweight, I would say, kind of normal for camping folding chairs. Has a drawstring here. And you can take it out. Powder coated metal here. Opens nice and easy. If you look down here, it has a cooler bag, so you can put cold stuff in there, your cold drinks, whatever, while you're camping or watching a game, watching a sporting event. Here you have a cup holder. You have a side pocket here if you want to put your phone or any kind of other accessories. And good, seems like good durable fabric. Comfortable to sit in, pet your dog. Fabric is nice and durable, and it is comfortable. You can kind of lean back. It does have a little bit of support back here in the neck, but nice arm support, and I would say it would be comfortable for watching long events, sporting events, camping, any of that kind of stuff. I'm 180 pounds and this is pretty solid. This can hold a lot more. I believe it can hold up to 450 pounds. All right, to fold it up, all you need to do is kind of just pick up the arms and put it together. You can kind of get a look at the underside here. Putting it back into the carry bag, things like this you have to have a little bit of patience. But you want to go legs first, feet first. There you have it. That wasn't too bad. You can close your drawstring and then again just put on your back and you're ready to go. So it does seem like a good quality chair. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.